So here's a problem that most B2B companies with really complex product catalogs often deal with. You've got hundreds, sometimes thousands of different products or services, and your sales teams, even the ones who've been there for 15 years, they have absolutely no clue which products to recommend to which customers. I mean, think about it, right? If you're selling software and you've got 50 different integrations, or you're manufacturing with 200 different components, how do you actually systematically match the right solution to the right customer? And let's be honest, most companies just wing it, or they rely on institutional knowledge that walks completely out of the door when people quit. And we just finished building the system for a biotech firm where they're a gene therapy company with over 150 different products. And their challenge was exactly this, where even the most experienced salespeople couldn't systematically know which buffers, which reagents, which manufacturing services to recommend based on what a prospect company actually does. So we built them an AI system that does exactly this all automatically. And let me show you how this actually works. So as you can see over here, first we use AI, as we can see, to do research on the specific company, where this is the prompt. As we can see, it's a pretty long and sophisticated prompt, where we're using AI to do deep research on every prospect company, not just basic firmographic data, but actual business intelligence. For biotech, then what we do is, as we can see in modality, for biotech, we classify which type of therapy they're developing, gene therapy, cell therapy, antibody treatments, because each one requires a completely different product. After that, what we do is we look into the development stage and we identify which development process or stage are they actually in. Are they in early research? Are they in clinical research phase 1, phase 2, 3? Are they commercial or approved? Or is it completely unknown? And the reason we do this is because the company doing phase 1 trials has totally different regulatory requirements than someone in preclinical research. And then the most interesting part, or the coolest part of the system, is that we actually look into the product offering that is the most relevant to these companies, as you can see over to this prompt over here, where the system recommends which exact 3 products for this business to pitch, and with detailed rationalization as to why we should do it. And we can go over the prompt. Is pretty long because we're giving it an entire knowledge base of the exact products that this company offers. And if we actually take a look at the output, we can see that it is not just saying recommend product A. It is saying recommend GMP grade manufacturing because they're in phase 1 or phase 2 trials and need regulatory compliance, plus express tech services because they lack internal manufacturing capabilities. And that is where really it comes into strategic thinking and not just pattern matching. And this is actually what separates this from just a basic typical automation, where we don't just build it and walk away, but we document the entire strategic framework, every prompt use, every business logic behind the classification. There's rationalization and reasoning as to why certain products get matched to certain company types. And this isn't really what I would call just a typical automation. It is a strategic system that is designed to evolve as the business changes, tying it to broader applications. And this is exactly why this is something that is super relevant for any B2B company, where the methodology we used here, deep research, intelligent classification, systematic matching, this works for any complex product catalog. So whether you're in software and you need to match the right integrations to the right customer tech stack, or you're in manufacturing, for instance, and you need to recommend the right components based on customer specifications, or let's say for instance, you're in professional services and you need to match the right service package to the company needs, the framework is still the exact same. Research, classify, match, and recommend. And when you do this systematically with AI, instead of relying on guesswork, you're looking at shorter sales cycles, higher conversion rates, and sales teams that actually know what to pitch. The reality is that most companies are still treating product customer matching like an art, when it should really be a science. And with AI, you can turn that guesswork into a systematic advantage. And yeah, I just wanted to share this, and I hope this was helpful and gave some really cool ideas. This is the exact kind of infrastructure that we build for companies that want to turn their really complex product catalogs into competitive advantages.